Hey, this is Chris with Paragon Inspection. Here at another house today and making some evaluations. There are a lot of things we look at as inspectors. There are some things we're not necessarily qualified to make full evaluations of, and one of those is mold. Unless, in the state of Texas, unless you have the appropriate certifications for testing, delivering samples to labs, and interpreting results, that's something that we normally would refer off to a specialist who does just mold. So this house, while we can't say with certainty that that's what we're looking at here around these AC registers, there's a very good chance that that's what it is. So with that said, we're going to recommend that a mold specialist come in and perform an indoor air quality test at this home and further educate the folks buying this as to what remediation, if any, needs to be done, and this will allow them to make some decisions regarding moving along with this purchase. We would love to deliver the same service to you. Call us when you're ready. We're here to help. Take care. Bye-bye.